ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓದೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಜ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತನೋ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 20 ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು 2000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಬಟ್ 2000 ಜನಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 2000 ಜನ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2000 ಜನ
ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರೋ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವರ ಊರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಡೆದಿರುವಂತ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಗಳೇನಿವೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್, ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವರದಿ ಆಗದೆ ಇರುವಂತವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತವು, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ದು ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾರಸ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಕಿರಣ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರ್, ಖಂಡಿತ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿಸಿ ಹಂಚ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು 15 ಜನ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ PR ಕಿರಣ್
ಅವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ದ್ವಾರ ಅವರೇ.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಾಣಸುದ್ದಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಇದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಧಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ತರಬಹುದು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಿರಣ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋದು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋನೇ ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತನೋ ಒಂದು ವಾದ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ್ದು ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇವತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿದೆ ಅಂತನೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕಳೆದ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ನವರು ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ, ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುದು. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಅವರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಒಬ್ರು ಕುಂದಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು, ಒಬ್ರು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು, ಮಧ್ಯ ನಾನು, ಹೀಗೆ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಬರ್ಲೇ
ಬರದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ
ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಕಿರಣ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದನ್ನೇ, ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸುಮಾರು 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾನು ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಗಾಲ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಹೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಲೇಖನಗಳು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ TCS ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಕ್ಸಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬರು ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತ.
ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು,
CP ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್.
CP
ಅವರು ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಅವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯ ಅಂಕಣನೂ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಪರಿಸರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪರಿಸರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಖನಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರು. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಈ ಕುಂಬಳಗೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜರ್ನಲಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅವರು ಪತ್ರಿಕೋದ್ಯಮ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಿಂದೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇವರದ್ದ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು IIJNM ಅಂತ,
ಹಾಂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜರ್ನಲಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕುಂಬಳಗೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದು ಹಿಂದೂ ಅವರು ಹಿಂದೂದವರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವರ
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ
ಹೌದು,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ
ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಚನ್ ಕೌರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲು.
ಹಾಂ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಪರಿಸರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ಸಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ.
ಹಾಂ.
ತುಂಬ ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆನೂ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ.
ತುಂಬ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು, ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕಮ್ಮಟಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತು. ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸುಧೀಂದ್ರ ಹಾಲ್ದೊಡ್ಡೇರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಸ್ಯವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿದ್ಧಹಸ್ತರು ಅವರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಸುಧೀರ್ ಹಾಲ್ದೊಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರು ಇಸ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಇಸ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, DRDOದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು,
DRDOದಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಿ ವಿ ರಾಮಣ್ಣ DRDO, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ ಒಂಚೂರು ಈ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಓದೋ ಒಂದು ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಜನಗಳ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು ಒಂದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂವಹನ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಮಾನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳು ಏನೇನಿವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡವರು ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ
ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಸರ್, ಈ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರು ಕಮಲಾ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈಸಿ ಕಮಲಾ ಅಂತ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸಿ. ಅವರು ಸಹ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಲೇಖನಗಳನ್ನು, ಭಾಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು.
ಓಕೆ.
ವೈಸಿ ಕಮಲಾ ಅವರು,
ಎರೆಸೀಮೆ ಕಮಲಾ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಅವರ ಭಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರಾಗಿದ್ದು ತುಳಜಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಚೆನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಎರೆಸೀಮೆ ಚೆನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಅವರ ಮಗಳು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ, ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋರು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ತಾರಾ.
Good evening.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah, no, it's my pleasure.
Yeah, let me introduce Raghavan sir.
Okay,
You
good.
can see him on the other window.
Namaste.
So like how you are teaching English, he is teaching Kannada.
I attended one of his first classes.
ನಾವು ಸರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು.
Oh, wonderful.
The first class, I think I was there. Yes.
Okay.
After that, I got busy and your room, your place looks very nice and open. What is this office space?
Yeah, since I am in technology, I can
he can go
play
anywhere
around.
in virtual.
Okay. You made it look like that. It's simulated, is it?
Yeah, it's simulated.
Yes.
Your
Virtual.
office is simulated.
Yeah, it's simulated.
My goodness, but it has a very nice prospect. Looks very bright.
Yeah.
And nice.
Yeah. And it doesn't cost even. It doesn't cost even a single paise.
I know. No, you got to share this with us, okay? Because I want something like this Windows, but plain background. So
Okay.
I need something like that.
Sure.
Show my room all the time. Yeah.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು ಕಸದಲ್ಲಿ ರಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ದೇರಾನೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಇಲ್ದಿರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಆ
ನಾವು
ಥರನೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರನೇ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So what time? I mean, like 7:30 you'll start?
Technically we have started actually. The kind of conversation which I am listening from between Sharmaji and Raghavan sir, it is so adding a lot of value.
Okay. So are we going to? It started really? Has it?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Basically, now I have learned gone are the days where we will define an agenda and we will
Right,
announce
right,
and
right.
we will.
Not necessary. Yeah.
Not necessary. So it can happen like a conversation.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, like how Sharmaji was telling what he is doing, how to make the science basically reach even to these people who speak Kannada.
Okay. Great.
Right? It is not that people who doesn't know Kannada, whereas Raghavan sir usually interact with people who doesn't know Kannada.
Oh.
So that is one difference. Whereas Sharmaji deals with people who knows Kannada and he teaches in Kannada.
Okay. Great. So
No,
it's sharing of experience now.
Yeah,
The-
that's
the-
it.
Mr. Sharma, is he okay now? I mean, like he had a throat problem or something.
Not throat problem, I still have the problem.
Where are you? I don't see you at all.
Okay.
Why? Don't tell me you still have a green cap on your head.
No.
Then,
Okay, my camera is giving some problem,
oh,
and that is the issue. But otherwise, my camera is on. But
Yeah,
okay.
now we
yes.
can see you.
I can see you. I can see
Oh,
you.
okay.
Properly grey. So feel happy.
Now the problem is this is something called an infection. This is fungal infection which takes a long time to heal.
Right.
So it's almost 8 months, and still it comes and goes. So therefore,
Oh,
and it's a specifically old age problem. So it shows that I am aging.
oh no. It's all in how young you are.
Exactly.
Mind. Yeah.
So this is something. This problem can happen in your when it happens in your mouth. It is very difficult to cure also.
Oh.
Yeah, very difficult. So it causes many other problems, like your jaws may be locked, so you may not be able to speak, or there may be a lot of injuries in other parts of the mouth, like tongue and other things,
Oh.
and it becomes terrible. So if it happens on the tongue, I cannot speak.
Oh my. I hope it doesn't come back. I hope it goes away. Really.
It is going away. It comes back, but every time it comes back, the severity is less. So that shows that I am
It's,
tackling
yeah,
it properly. Yeah, exactly.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
Good. Take care, really. Take
Sure.
care, because we need you. All of us.
Yeah.
That's the best way to be, right, on earth. To be,
But
we need it. We want it.
But
Yeah.
my experience is that this was a good thing that happened to me, because the team came in, and we have not stopped a single day of production of Jana Suddhi.
Oh.
So it was not just me who was giving the voice, and in fact for the last 8 months I have only recorded twice,
Okay.
and all other recordings have been done by other members of the team.
Okay.
So
It's
that's
like
a
voiceover. Yeah.
voiceover. That's a fantastic thing that has happened. And if we can build a team like this, then anything is possible.
Yeah. With
That's
the yes, I know. Each one kind of supplements the other.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Yeah, let me now start some of the challenges which our teachers are facing.
Yeah.
Okay, Kausar, can you unmute? Namaskara, madam.
Hello, Kausar.
Namaste, sir. Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam. Raghavan sir, Kausar,
fine, sir.
she's in a school near Mysore. I forgot the school village name. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Gargeshwari.
Gargeshwari.
I've been there. I've been there.
Interestingly, yeah, Tara only introduced
Nammuru.
Kausar to us.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
So,
ವಿಜಯಸಿಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಗೇಶ್ವರಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಗರ್ಗೇಶ್ವರಿ.
So interesting experiment ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. She teaches in Urdu medium, and she has created videos in Urdu using Urdu scripts, and she shares these videos to her students on WhatsApp, and then she engages them again on audio calls.
Oh, good sir.
Okay, before I forget, Kausar madam, please send me your one message to me, WhatsApp message. I have a document for you about COVID in Urdu, okay, which I will share with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And you can in turn share it with the community also. Not
Sure,
only your students,
exactly.
but also with your community, Kausar, in
Okay.
Gargeshwari. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Kausar madam had some challenges. How do we engage? Because these children, she won't know on the other side how engaged they are. Are they interested? Or are they listening? Or even she's basically, as of now, she has a challenge of reaching many students because WhatsApp doesn't allow. At least offline you can share with many people, but online maximum you can engage with 8 people. So that's one challenge. But however, even if there are, let's say, 4 or 5, how do we know that the students are basically interested in that subject? That is one challenge. So Raghavan sir, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಇಂದನೇ
ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್, ಟೀಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಅಲೋಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 8 people. So that's one easily available tool for all of us without any installation, without any.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು.
ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕು. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವರು.
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು. ಎನಿವೇ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್. Assuming they have network, even then people who have a network, even they are having challenges.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಯಂಗರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಈ ಯಂಗರ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಶೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಶಿಕಾಗೋ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವನನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್. ಜನರಲ್ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಈವನ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲಿಫೋರ್ನಿಯವ್ರು 75 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವರ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವರ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೂಲಕ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ದಮ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಎನಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಈವನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಾಪಿಂಗು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಔಟಿಂಗು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಮೈ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲಿ ದೇ ವೋಂಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂಥರ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೋಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಹೊರತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಯಾರು ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ದೇ ಶೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬಲ್ಲೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. KPSC they conduct departmental exam. The same time the university they were conducting Kannada exams. ಅದೇ ಥರ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಶೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯೋರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ KPSC ಆರ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. So they are willing to take the certificate not by writing the exam. And practical things what is happening. Last week Tara madam, a government doctor came to me. I told him to write the examination. He said, sir, examination writing, results taking, I know the process. Is there any way that I can get the question paper? ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಈಗ. Without effort.
Like there are people who write PhD thesis for people.
No, I know. A lot of that. But Kausar madam should not get disappointed. Madam, the trend is like that. Younger generation ಇದೆ, we have to create interest in them in their subjects first, or their choices first. You have to find
Yeah.
out what you first you have to interact with them.
Yeah.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ
Just
ಸರ್,
add-
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಫ್ ಐ ಶೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯು, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಜನರಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೃಪತಿಂಗನಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಂಡಪ್ಪನವರೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
In fact, this is one of the fundamental principles of communication.
Yes.
So, if you want to engage, you start with a problem that is known to them. Start with an idea that is known to the students, and then take them to the unknown. From
Yes, sir.
known to the unknown is the thing. And
Yes.
when we say known, it should also be something that is very dear to them. Then it will be easier.
Exactly. No, I think the first question to ask is, what shall we do? What do you like? So those are the things that we need to start with, and
Yes.
then move from there. You know,
Yes.
the agenda should come from the students, and they should own it. Only
Yes.
then will there be some opening. And
Yes.
another thing is to go very slowly. Kausar need not worry about covering any portion. What needs to be done is, even if it goes very, very slow, at every point ensure that whatever they say, you respond to it, and there is a response from them to that. So it should go like a chain, and there should be more questions built up from their side. That is their curiosity. That's what both Mr. Raghavan and Mr. Sharma have been also mentioning. And so there should be questions on their part. They should become curious about something, whatever you're discussing,
Yes,
or
madam, yes.
whatever their topic, what they want to talk about. And therefore, it becomes a kind of a real engagement on their part, and it becomes a spontaneous conversation.
Yes.
Don't worry about, the problem with teachers is that they have a certain pre-specified syllabus that they complete.
don't worry about the
in
syllabus.
45 minutes or
Syllabus
1
is
hour,
secondary.
and they're worried mostly about that. That's not the teachers' fault also, because they're all the time worried about covering the syllabus and preparing students for the exam. I think now is the time to break from that, and in the new NEP and in the scheme of evaluation that is coming up now, there is no need for this kind of year-end examination. It's all going to be competency based. So the slower you go, feeling the pulse of the students, the better it is to communicate, and then you will reach a pace when automatically this kind of engagement will continue, and there will be new topics coming in and new things coming in, some suggested by you, some suggested by the children, and it will pick up. So this is my experience with ongoing kind of teaching.
You are exactly correct.
That's what I did with the teachers also. Yeah.
Kausar madam, I don't know in which your language you use, English or Urdu or Kannada?
I am teaching English and social science and also maths.
Through English only, na?
English and social science in Urdu and also mathematics in Urdu.
Okay. So madam, you based on the students ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so find out which is their comfortable language first.
Mother tongue is
Mother tongue is comfortable. Next mother tongue, I think regional language will be comfortable for them.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Madam, try to convince them through Kannada only. First preference you give it to mother tongue Urdu. Try to get their move towards you. ನೀವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ತಾರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಿ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. Don't go according to the lesson number 1 and other things. So
not
that
simple to complex, because we can't decide for the students what we think is simple is complex for them. I think best is to go from what they like. to what we want
Yeah.
to teach them.
So
I
what
think
they
that's
like.
a better way.
So in that priority, you can go from simple to complex. But you have, we as teacher, and what I have noticed in my last many years of experience, we have to study the individual student's mentality. First, it will take some 2-3 days only, madam. You will know what is requirement, why he is here, and what are all his interests. Accordingly, we have to design our syllabus to suit him. Tailor made ಇರಬೇಕದು, ನಾಟ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೆಡಿಮೇಡ್ ಶರ್ಟ್. There I have to, according to the class, in which class I am teaching, the which background, accordingly I have to suit my syllabus according to their taste.
Yes. Yes, sir. Okay.
I think you already noticed this, Kausal madam.
Yes,
But-
sir.
So if you want to read the student effectively, try to know what is there in his mind and how he wants, so that because diversions are many nowadays, so we have to bring them to one mainstream. Then we have to go with our syllabus. So they should not know that we are teaching syllabus, but at the same time they should feel that, oh, madam is telling very interesting. So then indirectly you will be telling actually what you wanted to convey to them. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay.
Sir, I think the general challenge is that we are not face to face with the student. Okay, and that's a challenge that she is facing probably, mainly because she doesn't know whether a student is listening to her or not. Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, we will not be, no, because they will also be, this is not a video chat ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. So ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. The thing is, see, what you do is, if you have some 20 students,
Yes, sir.
okay, see, the students have
one, especially children have one attitude. Anything that is challenging, they will take up. Number one. Number two is they are very curious. So you make them curious. The curiosity can be for engagement. One of the techniques can be you give them numbers. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. What I suggest is you give them random numbers.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever it is. Let them choose the number. Okay, then they get engaged. So what you can do is you will say that randomly you will talk about a number, and that number has to respond.
Now you are not taking the names. Okay. Then what happens is that suddenly everybody will be curious about their number, to keep their number and wait for the number to be called. Okay, this is one way you can try, and most times this works because they'll be curious. The other thing that you can do is, instead of giving the number, you can say it as a problem. Say now you have given me number 10. You can say that now I want 30 minus 20 to speak.
Minus 20 means automatically 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that you can do it in Urdu and then take them to the lesson.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this way, what happens is that everybody will be engaged.
Yes.
And this in a direct classroom, what we can do is, we know that randomly we give the number, and we know that the next person is the number of 10. If he is sitting here, next to him maybe 99. So we can say that the one who is on the right of 10 can speak. So both of them will be alert. So these are some of the techniques that we can use. And because we are not seeing people here, maybe we give a problem and then ask those people to come out.
Nice suggestion, sir. Sure, I will follow, sir.
Thank you.
These are all warm-up activities, same as warm-up activities.
Yeah.
In direct class, I do, sir. These activities are also I do.
Yes.
I will follow, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, Raghavan sir, one time check. It's 7:50 now. I think you have another class at 8 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir. That the boy from Chicago.
Okay. Yeah, you do let me know what time you want to drop off.
After 2-3 minutes, I will take it.
Sure. ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಗೀತಾ ಆರ್ ಇದೆ?
ಏನಾದರೂ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಕೌಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು.
ಶೋರ್ ಗೀತಾ ಆರ್ ಇದೆ?
ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ನೋ, ಗೀತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೌಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನವರು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ಆವಾಗಲೂ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಾಲ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತುದಿಗಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವನ್ನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ದಿರೋ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋರೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಾರು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು 2 ಸರಿ 3 ಸರಿ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Interestingly, today I have another student also joining. Interestingly, she is the youngest student. Dyuti, are you there? Dyuti,
Yes, sir, I am there.
Okay, so Dyuti, are you happy with your online class?
Yes, sir, I'm happy with my online class. Yes, it's going on very well.
What challenges you whenever you feel bored? Why do in which context you feel bored?
I don't feel bored in any context because my teachers show it in a 3D way.
That's interesting. No, it's not about technology, right? We cannot keep looking at augmented reality video throughout, right? We cannot keep looking at Avatar movie 24 hours. We'll get bored.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sure there will be some instance where it will be challenging or it will be overwhelming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, especially the social class. So, when do you get bored in a social class?
I actually don't get bored in a social class, but I get bored in a Hindi class.
Oh, Hindi class. Oh, when?
Because the teacher is too strict and she doesn't let us ask any questions.
Okay.
And if we ask questions also, she says, please keep quiet, I have to finish all my questions for the test, and this time we don't have Hindi test only.
So you are happy?
I'm not happy.
Not happy. Oh, you need tests always.
Yes, I just finished all my tests yesterday.
Okay.
So
what do you do during your leisure time?
what I do is I am
Apart from coding, so that is a busy time. So I know. Beyond that,
I am learning Veena. I play Veena and I'm
Wow.
learning dance, and then I dance, I practice it, and I also sing. I sit in front of my mom, me and my mom sing together.
Okay.
And then I spend time with my grandmother, my father and my mom, and then I read many books, and
Wow.
also my stock of book get over in
So
a
I think
in the summer
I think you have
holidays.
2 days for every day.
48 hours in a day.
Yeah, 48. I'm just curious because I am a little tone deaf, so I cannot understand this music, and that is a very difficult thing. How is it that at this age you can understand music and do it? Curious.
Actually, I actually was interested in singing from I was 4 years. So my mom still has a video when I had sung Paluke Bangaramani at 4 years.
Okay.
But she keeps on telling, you are very good at it, keep it up, and yeah.
Okay.
I love the things which I do.
You love things which you do, or you do things which you love. Which one is correct?
I do the things which I love, and I also love the things which I do.
Okay, that's a fantastic thing. Thank you, Diti.
Welcome.
Raghavan sir, Dyuti is in 5th standard.
ಓ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್.
And she has brought in her sister, or her sister brought her here. Her
But
sister
she,
Hasmita
Shruti
is in Vijaya
the
College.
Dhruti is a very, very confident girl. I am really happy
Huh.
to meet her. ತುಂಬ confident 100%.
Now Dyuti's two cousins are also part of the team. Pujita and what's another girl?
Suprita.
Suprita. So good to see. All four of them are in 4 schools. Dyuti is in
Yes.
Baldwin's and Hamsita is in Vijaya. Then Hasmita is in Vijaya. Then one in MAS and one in MSS.
MSS, sir.
Yeah.
Both of them are in MSS.
Okay.
Kiran sir,
Huh.
if you permit.
Sure, sir. Thanks a lot for joining. And ನಾಳೆ
Thank you very
ಬನ್ನಿ.
much, sir.
ನಾಳೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Appreciate it.
Tomorrow you can see how Dyuti explains her coding skills.
Thank you
Probably
very much, sir.
tomorrow she will also show her singing skills.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I got a new Veena which is just kept behind me.
Wonderful. Sure, we will.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, Dyuti, you can also mute your video. Let me get one of the teachers on board. So ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ
Correct ಆಯ್ತಾ sir?
ವೆರಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಯು
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಸರ್, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಿತ್ತ ಮಾತ್ರ, sir.
Now it's very effective now.
Okay.
We feel as if you are there in front of us.
ನಾನು ಬರೀ ನಿಮಿತ್ತ ಮಾತ್ರ.
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ತಾವು ಸರ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ ಜೋರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್, ಇವನ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ದ್ಯುತಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಫೆಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಭಾಳ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಏಜ್ ಆದರೂ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ದ್ಯುತಿ ಲೆವೆಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
ಬಟ್ ದ್ಯುತಿ, ಶಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಹರ್ ಓನ್, ನೋ?
ರೈಟ್.
Now she is also learning on her own. Look at it, her mother didn't tell to come and join my session. She only figured it out from her sister and she is coming. Nobody is pushing her to come here, no?
Yes sir, yes sir.
And this is not a paid class. This is not a Vijaya college. This is not...
I actually wanted to learn coding, and when my mom had put me in White Hat Junior, I couldn't attend any of the classes, but I still wanted to do. And then Hasmita told me that she's attending one of these class, and the first class only I got very interested, and then I thought, okay, let me try this out, and when I tried, it came out very well, and then I'm continuing.
What about White Hat Junior? Are you attending that also?
No sir, I couldn't attend because they did not send the right link, and everything was not so good. And they used to schedule classes for about 4 to 5 hours. So I had other classes also, and I couldn't attend. And this Sunday classes are very good for me and flexible also.
Okay. Yeah, good to know. So yeah, Shivprakash sir, so this also we can learn a lot from this experience, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Look at it. I did not publish any agenda, right? It just evolved on what the children wanted.
Yes sir.
And basically I am just giving what they want. I'm just ensuring that it won't go in all directions. There is some focus when they come in. So similar logic we can apply even in our education, even in our school front, right?
Yes sir.
So how do we ensure? Yeah, now I can use this carrot, right? Now it looks like the younger children like coding, they like music. I can show this. Then I can intersperse, or I can mix it with other subjects as well. Now, for example, if I discuss with, let's say, some of the physics concepts now for another half an hour, no, they will not mind, right? They are anyway already on the platform.
Yes sir.
So like this, you can also try in your with your students.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
What do you think?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay. So anybody else has any suggestions or questions, or you want to voice your concern that this will work, that this will not work? Any other teachers are there? Mamata MK. Mamata, are you a teacher? Durvankar Nikam. Hello?
Yes, I'm Sharda Nikam. I am teacher.
Yeah, Sharda.
Hello.
Tell me, madam. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
You are in which school, madam?
I am in government school, sir.
Where? Which place?
In Pune.
Pune, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, can you share your experience? You heard our conversation. Do you think this method works, or do you see any challenge?
Sir, I am taking the classes on Google Meet app actually, and some of your conversation is in Kannada. That's why I do not understand the language. But what I understand is that one sir told us that the number system. I appreciated that. That is good.
Okay, okay. So
And
that.
Shruti is also spending her time very well. It is also a good thing. Yes, sir.
So your students are in which standard?
They are in 7th.
Okay, okay. Yeah, anyway, yeah, then that's good. So how did you got our link? Is it through Dakshesh?
No, sir, it is from Vipin, sir. Infosys company.
Okay.
Vipin Srivastav.
Okay, okay. That's good. So yeah, Infosys also Infosys Pune also we have a lot of our volunteers who are helping various schools. So yeah, tell me, madam, what challenges do you face, or what is that you expect from us? We are ready to help you.
Sir, actually the problems are that some of all the students from government schools are not affordable to pay the recharge and all that stuff. That is the major problem. And one thing, they have not the mobiles actually, because they are workers. So many fathers and mothers are housewives and workers, and they are doing job any small things. So after coming to their work, I can take the classes. It is one more thing for challenging for me. It is not actually. I can take the class at the evening after father and mother will come. Then I can take the classes. But I can suffering the problem in how to teach maths. Okay, because it's a how to teach maths online. It is very difficult for me.
Yeah, which topic in math? Math actually relatively easier to teach.
Online, how to teach?
Yeah, which concept?
Actually, how to use Google Meet app and how to do online teaching.
Basically, you want whiteboard on Google Meet.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, so see, I have the Word, MS Word is there. I can use that to teach the language and all that stuff, and to write some what we call them definitions and all that stuff. But to understand the concept, the students must be attentive to see and listen.
Yeah, we have some best practices I can share with you. Yeah, maths. Is there any other challenge which you are facing? One, yeah, let me answer the first question which you told. They are all poor people. They cannot afford smartphones and internet and recharge, all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow, have you attended any of our Sundays classes?
No, this is my first time, sir.
Oh,
I have just
wonderful.
get the link first time.
Okay, wonderful. Then tomorrow 11 o'clock, I am conducting session to the students.
Okay.
In that, at least 30 students are going to come from government schools.
Oh.
Who are from the same background which you mentioned just now. Their parents are laborers. Okay, they cannot afford smartphone.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you how we are bringing them on board. One is, I was surprised, some of their parents, even though they are poor, they have a smartphone.
Hmm.
Okay, through them, I was surprised even before we helped them with the smartphone. We volunteers got together and we there are a lot of effort which went in. We somehow pooled money and we donated about 20 smartphones to 20 kids.
Okay, wow.
So those 20 will definitely come tomorrow.
Yes.
And I will also tell you how we went about. I'm sure our Infosys Pune folks also will do the similar drive. Whether your children will be covered or not, I will not be able to tell you. But anyway, there are some good Samaritans in this world. They are doing their bit to get these students on board. And we are also doing another very interesting initiative thanks to Sharma ji. We are also trying to get people with feature phones. That is just no smartphone, but button wala phone.
Yeah.
We want to do something to them. There's a very soon we will launch another initiative where at least we can get them on audio bridge.
Okay.
So like now you see, even though we are speaking on a internet bridge, we are not actually using the power of internet. We are not sharing anything, right? We are just talking to each other without seeing each other.
Yeah.
So technically we are using this as an audio bridge.
Yes,
Now, it is just a coincidence we are using internet to connect, but it is possible to connect through the GSM line, which is just the audio line which they can dial a number and connect.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah, I heard about that. Government is also providing the GS lines and all that stuff for the government schools.
Yeah, anyway, those technologies are available.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, some of these NGOs, some of these organizations, some of the volunteers will make it happen. I will also share with you what does it cost and how do you make it happen, and if Vipin is in touch with you, I will ensure that he continues to support you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So anyway, don't worry about that. The one is a portion where there is it cannot be at zero cost. Yeah, it needs some budgetary cost which has to be borne by either by the recipient or by some donor.
Okay.
And
actually, sir, I talked about Vipin, sir, the mobiles and all that stuff. He gave me the 3 mobiles. It's a good thing that 3 students are there in my class more.
Wonderful.
Because of his work.
Okay. What is his full name? Vipin Srivastava, is it?
Yeah, Vipin Srivastava.
Okay, sure. That's good. So, now, that is the easier part to fix. Once you give them a phone, once you give them either smartphone or the voice phone, now they come on board. Now comes the next challenge, right? That's a bigger challenge to fix.
Oh.
Actually, getting them on board through some means, it's easier because it is just a matter of convincing some organization or some NGO.
Yes.
Well, but once they come online, now look at it. Now 13 of you are on the bridge today. As I'm speaking, 13 of you are listening. Now I don't know whether all 13 of you are interested in my commentary or not. Right? How am I ensuring that I am satisfied that now I am going to spend 90 minutes as per this? How am I convinced that my 90 minutes is well spent?
By interacting.
Okay, then I am very happy with the conversation with Raghavan sir and Kausar had to the beginning. I am sure at least Kausar got the value.
Thank you.
I also learned something. Now, good that I come to know that one of the teacher from Pune has joined in. That itself is a success, right? If Vipin has not seen the value, he would not have invited you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now that you figured out that there is another initiative which is happening, which we can bring GSM line, that itself is a learning for you, right? So then once we do something and once we share this best practice, I am sure it can be easily replicated.
Yes, sir.
Now look at it. Microsoft Teams, they are doing a great service by offering their platform free of cost. Now I am able to do video call with the people globally. in fact, one of Kausar nephew is going to join in tomorrow from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Oh,
Then 2 kids are going to join in from Germany. They are going to teach
wow.
on the same bridge, and you can use the same bridge again tomorrow.
Sir, actually, is the problem. I have the COVID survey tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
No problem. I am just giving the example to help people
No,
who
sir, but
cannot.
I want to listen and attend the meeting. Is there any time again?
I am recording the entire conversation. I am going to share the recording post the
Okay.
event. Whether it's today's session or tomorrow's session, I am recording all the sessions, and I will share the recording immediately, so you won't lose anything.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now 13 of you are there. Now even if 3 or 4 of you get the value, that itself is a satisfaction for me. Okay, once I share the video, I am sure many more curious teachers or students will also basically listen or see the video, because I am hosting this on YouTube. So this will be continue to be there forever. I need not have to recreate this video. Now,
Yes, sir.
if I take this back to your context in your school, you can also do the same, no? Because
Yes.
all the
Yes.
things which I am using are free,
Yes.
right?
And it is a good thing for the students also that they can see it. If they do not understand the online session, they can repeat it and watch it again.
Now look at it. It is not just you. Now you have Kollegala Sharmaji, who is a scientist in CFTRI Mysore, which you have no clue or no idea, but he came and spoke. Right? Similarly, Mr. Raghavan, who has 40 years of teaching experience, he came and spoke. None of you know about him, right? Now look at it. In the same call today, Tara Ratnam, who was HOD of one of the very leading schools in Mysore. She is actually PhD in English, and she has done it in Hyderabad in one of the renowned colleges. And she works with teachers globally. Look at it. We are getting such great personalities on this bridge free of cost. And it is not just you who can come, you can bring all your students also, like how Dyuti came in today. She is in 5th standard. I did not invite her, she just came here and she is listening. So similarly, you can invite, it doesn't matter who can afford, who can join, who have time, they can come. Other people, they can listen to this conversation offline. Okay, so this is the power of the technology, this is the power of the platform, which any of us can leverage at almost at if not zero, at least near zero cost. So, Sharda ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming back to your maths, here is anyway, maths is very close to my heart, and I teach maths whenever I get opportunity to the students.
Wow, it's nice.
Okay, here is how I would have done if I were you. For example, you let me know which concept you are going to teach next week. I will share very interesting videos on them.
Actually, I am now teaching them the HCF and LCM, and then the angles and their properties and all that stuff.
Wonderful. Yeah, I will share some of the interesting videos which you can share with them beforehand.
Yes, sir.
So that they will look at this or listen to this, see this video and come to your class. Then
Yes.
you should not play anything, you should not display anything on the screen. You come on them, they should see your face and directly ask curious questions about the video which you had shared.
Okay.
Even if one student has seen, that's good enough for you to continue the conversation.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, because ideally if you send it to, let's say, 20 students, not at all 20 might have resources to see them. That's okay. So don't worry about, don't be too much concerned about who has a smartphone, who has internet, who doesn't have. Eventually, all of us have an instinct for survival.
Yes.
Okay, if I am sick, I know where to go to get medication.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
use the same analogy. If I feel I am losing out in studies, I know education is the only way for me to survive in this world. I will figure out a way how to get myself educated. This is part of my survival instinct.
Yes.
Other instinct which will help is peer pressure. Right? Now, if somebody
Yes.
sees a person like Duty, let's say, showing something, speaking something, then there will be a healthy competition which will get built that I also wants to learn. This will be there irrespective of your financial position, whether you are poor or rich.
Based on interest.
Yeah, okay. So when you do this, when you experiment this with your own children, it doesn't matter all 20 are poor. You will figure out there will be one kid who has the spark, who has the fire in the belly. He or she will come forward and he will excel. I am seeing, irrespective of, without exception, any school randomly I go, I will figure out, I can spot a brighter student who is on par with any international school. And he or she is already developing their skills, whether it is talking, singing, writing, sports, some skills they will be excelling already, even though despite all their financial problems, despite
Yes.
their abusive father or abusive mother, micromanaging, beating, it doesn't matter. They have figured it out. Then all the duty of our teachers, being a teacher, is just to expose or create an healthy atmosphere where they can share freely, and the kids who are not understanding, who can ask the question freely. That's it. If we do just these two, these kids will learn on their own. They don't need our help. Okay, this is my learning so far. And I have been with the government school since last 12 years. I keep going every Saturday. We used to go before this lockdown.
Okay.
So it's a very interesting ecosystem, and you are doing a noble work. I think we are there to support you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
So maths is fortunately it's one of the easiest thing to solve because there are very interesting resources. Whereas Kannada might be challenging because Kannada we don't get too many resources. Even though Kannada or for that matter, for you it could be Marathi. Okay, even though it's our mother tongue, usually, whereas maths is an international subject, right? We get,
Yes.
okay, so maths I can get videos from America, from China, from Japan. Somebody would have created and given you how to solve Pythagoras theorem. Right? So it doesn't matter their nationality. Okay, so Pythagoras, he did it in 530 BC or something. Even then, nobody has disproved it. It still works. Okay, so maths, one thing which we need to do is, whenever we teach them an angle, we have to tell them why angle is important in your real life. Otherwise, right angle triangle doesn't mean any sense to them if they have to by heart.
So not only these topics, but actually where there are concepts, different concepts, we require the board to teach them, isn't it? The students are there face to face, but in online class it is difficult how to teach exactly.
Can I show you how to use your mobile as the board?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Right now, can I switch to my mobile and show you?
No.
Okay. Anyway, tomorrow if you are next class, you come on. It's very simple. Let me explain how it works. Okay. Now, have you logged in through your mobile or laptop?
Yes, sir.
Have you logged in now through your mobile or laptop?
I'm with my mobile, sir.
Yeah. In mobile, very interesting. You have the share option, right?
Yes.
If you share your screen, when you share your entire screen. Once you start sharing, we can see whatever you do on your mobile.
Okay.
Then go to there are a lot of free applications which will allow you to write anything on your mobile, okay, without any problem, using your finger. you can write whatever you write on your mobile will be mirrored onto Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, permit drawing over other apps like this.
That one. Okay, then you can use that as your whiteboard.
Okay.
Okay, so it's all your mind. So where there is a will, there is a way. In fact, I see the online is much more effective for whiteboarding than actual in physical whiteboard. For example, if you have a PowerPoint installed on your laptop, in your mobile, you can have
Yeah.
multiple pages which at your disposal, where without erasing anything, you continue to write and you keep moving back and forth. You can keep explaining the concepts. You can reuse day after day, month after month.
Yes.
So in that way, you have all the resources which you have at your fingertips at zero cost.
I can use that MS Word as a whiteboard.
Yeah, MS, we use PPT. PPT has more tools.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, then there are a lot of open source tools as well, which will give you more flexibility. So yeah, you can try when you try. If you feel any challenges, you let me know. I will help you with how to overcome the challenge or the best way to write.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so it's very easy. So don't worry about tools. Don't worry about content. We have everything. There are good Samaritans around the world. They have made it available. The only thing which you need to be worried about, your time and their time. That's it. As long as you have your quality time, you can spend with your children, then that's it. You can do miracle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So getting children, like how Dyuti came in now, even though this is meant for teachers, right? She has set aside her other engagements and come in. So they will come when they see a value.
Yes.
If somebody doesn't come, don't bother about it. Naturally, it will pull when some kids go and talk about it, when they show their skills, okay, when they brag about it, or when you share in a way that all the parents will come to know what one child is doing. Then naturally peer pressure will kick in, healthy competition will kick in, then naturally they will also come.
Yes.
Okay, so don't worry if some kid is absent one day, some kid is not absent, but as long as you make a fair attempt, honest attempt to ensure that kid comes on board, or share some, for example, genuine reason the kid was sick or could not come because mobile was not there, current was not there, electricity was not there.
Yeah,
So
these are all the major problems.
you can just record the session and post it on YouTube, then it is there forever.
Yes.
So like this, yeah, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, now also it is not your problem. I face this problem in our own, I work for Infosys. We face this problem even with our colleagues. Not all our colleagues are well equipped with UPS in their home. Whenever there is a breakdown, our project work gets affected. Okay, not that we are totally immune to all these problems. Then how do we basically cope up or catch up? Somebody else will pitch in for them, somebody else will record for them, so that's how we will catch up. So it is not a rich or poor problem, everybody has this problem. This COVID is treating all of us, it has made everybody equal.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your great help.
So do let us know. You can keep experimenting whatever you are learning here. So even though we teach Kannada medium students and Kannada medium teachers, most of our instructions, like how I am doing now, it will happen in English. It could be because even though I know Kannada, I can speak Kannada, most of my interaction will happen with my colleagues and friends in English.
Yes, sir.
So naturally, actually when I speak in Kannada also, I started thinking in English and then translate and speak in Kannada.
Okay, sir. It will be my pleasure if you will share your videos with me.
Have you heard about Khan Academy?
Yes, sir.
Are you using it?
Sometimes I use it to understand any new concept or yells.
Yeah. Actually, my first go-to place is Khan Academy only. Even for whatever you ask, first I will search if it is good. If Khan Academy is good enough, I will share that with you. Otherwise, I will go to YouTube and find out. Otherwise, there is a very interesting site called Three Brown and One Blue. I will share that. Do you know my WhatsApp number?
No, sir.
Yeah, you can just write down.
Okay, wait, sir. Yes, sir.
7760
7760
88
88
55
55
11.
11. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, just WhatsApp me, and then I will share the resources and the links.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. So, anybody else has any questions or comments or suggestions for Sharda madam?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharda madam. Nagashri, what's your observation? Have you started teaching?
No, sir. Actually, I had some personal work, so I could not even join your classes for 2 or 3 weeks. So today I only asked Vinod to join and give me.
Okay, wonderful. So, whom do you plan to teach after learning tips from here?
Yeah, in my neighbor's house there are 2 kids, sir. So I'm teaching them.
Bring them to our bridge, no? Like how Diti is coming in and bringing her cousins.
Yes, sir. One of Vinod's cousin is joining every Sunday, sir. 11 o'clock class.
Okay. Yeah, you can bring your neighbors also, no?
Yes, sir. I will share the link with them also, sir.
Sure. In which standard they are in?
One Samarth, sir. His name is, and he is in 5th. Now he is going for 6th.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. His brother is now 1st standard, sir.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, it's too early for him.
Yes, sir. But he is interested in learning whatever his brother do. He is doing same thing, sir.
Okay. Cool.
They are all interested for all that scratch animated things. They are all
First standard kid also will do scratch, is it?
Whatever his brother do, no, sir. He will tell that cat will come like that. He has already done one game. Pinball game he has done. So in that he is playing all those things he is doing.
Okay. Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, Sharda.
Is it possible for the students to join this group or the class?
Yeah. Just share the link. No, whatever link you get, you just share it with them.
Okay. I thought it is just for the teachers and the volunteers of this group.
Today it's for teachers. Tomorrow it's for children.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you can
Okay,
get them. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Today also I don't mind them just joining and listening. But if they start asking questions, then teachers will not get time. No.
Yeah.
And today
Okay, sir.
look at it. Our mode is only conversation. Then children will get bored. Whereas tomorrow it's more of doing. We make them do animations. We make them do coding.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, tomorrow it will be most interesting. Yeah, Diti?
Okay, sir.
sir, I have done one project in machine learning. Can I show it to you?
Not today. In tomorrow's session you can show.
Yes, sir, sure.
Because today nobody will understand. No? None of these teachers have any background on the context.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else has any question?
Hello.
Yeah, Manjushree.
Can I share the link to my students, sir?
Yes, madam. You are in which school?
No, Vijaya High School only.
Okay. Vijaya High School, actually, I do that service for you. I am sharing that VA Creative Learning, no? I am sharing that.
If they are interested, can I share the link, sir?
Yeah. Please share.
Okay.
You are handling which
Tomorrow,
subject, madam?
what topic, sir? My subject is social science, sir.
Okay, okay. So social science is a challenging subject, right? To engage
Yeah,
children online.
definitely, sir. It's, it is a kind of a dead subject. I should bring back the history. I should reset the history by sending videos and others.
Yeah, yeah. Which history, which chapter you are taking the next week?
No, for the past 2 months that we were on, still I am on COVID duty. I'm not taking any online classes, sir.
Okay, okay. When do you plan to start?
After completing this COVID.
Till
In
when
the
it is
beginning
planned?
only I had, yeah.
Till
I
when
don't
this
know, sir.
COVID?
No, sir. How long it will be there, we will along with it.
Okay, okay.
So
But till
tomorrow's
then
topic,
what will the students do? They are sitting idle, is it?
some they are not participating, sir.
But anybody is taking care of them, or they're just wasting their time?
Sometimes the parents will be there. Sometimes they come, sir.
No, if no teacher is engaging them, then they will not study, right?
Yeah, definitely. Even in the school also, it is very difficult face to face. How can we make them through this online? That is very challenging, sir.
That's what we discussed in today's session, no?
Yeah.
Whatever Raghavan sir told and Sharma ji told, a lot
yeah.
of.
And that Kannada
So,
Sahib, yeah.
So
That
yeah, you
numbering
need
is
to.
very good, sir.
So yeah, you need to experiment all of them.
Yeah,
Something will
definitely.
click, and you have to come and share which is working.
Yeah, definitely I will try, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, if we keep doing same thing again and again, we will get the same results.
Definitely. Okay, sir. And what time, sir, tomorrow?
Tomorrow, 11 o'clock.
11. Oh. Can I? I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
inform.
Please share. Please share.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Okay.
Anybody else has any questions?
Sir, I have a question.
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಮೋಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಮೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So you can first share your screenshot and the app name which you are trying on WhatsApp. I will also try. So tomorrow after probably after 12:30, after the session is over, I will help you.
Sir, one more question if you don't mind. Sir, are you going to teach in English or Kannada only?
Tomorrow there will be a mixed group. So first 45 minutes I am going to teach in English.
Okay.
Next 45 minutes I am going to teach in Kannada.
Okay, sir. Because these students do not understand too much English. That's why that is the problem. Is it you not able to use the Hindi?
If how many students are there, then I can bring a volunteer who can speak in Hindi, because I have my volunteers in Pune also. I can even get
sir,
Marathi. How cool is that?
It is government school. It is Marathi medium.
Yeah, I can get volunteers who speak Marathi because I have friends in Pune.
Okay, sir. It is good.
How many students?
5-6 students will be there. 5-6 students tomorrow.
Yeah, if you can, 5-6, okay. Then I will get somebody who can speak in Marathi for them for a while. But if you have a bigger number, then I can make a separate group for them where it will happen only in Marathi.
Okay. And if they are from different classes, how you can manage, sir?
No, we don't go by standard. We don't teach your physics and maths. We teach common concepts which is applicable across. We will not replace you, by the way. We want you to keep your job.
Okay, sir. No, I just I will also talk about this to my other teachers.
Yeah,
Maybe
please.
they will ask their students to join.
Yeah. Now tomorrow, just to let you know, we will have students starting from 3rd standard onwards up to engineering. It's a common group.
Okay, sir.
And everybody likes it, because here we are not going to teach any particular syllabus.
Yes.
It will be generic. We will be talking about generic. For example, we will learn Python together. Python is a programming language.
Okay.
which anybody can learn. Then we also learn like how Dyuti is learning now machine learning. You see Dyuti how she is in 5th standard and she is learning machine learning. So machine
Okay.
learning is not there even in international syllabus.
Yes.
But she is learning on her own. So we will introduce, let them get curious, right?
Okay.
So it is all about igniting their curiosity.
Okay. My 5-6 students will be joined tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. Anybody else has any questions? Shripada, do you have any question? Shripada, are you able to hear?
ಸರ್ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು ವಿಜಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಠನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಫೇಸ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಉಳಿಕೆ ಅಂತೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 40 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 40% ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರೇ ಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Yeah, if I were in your position, this is what I will do. How many such candidates are there?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 30 to 35 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
35 ನಲ್ಲಿ how many are lagging, whom you want to help sincerely?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ 20 ಜನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್. ಒಂದ್ 20 ಜನ ನನ್ನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಒಂದ್ 30ರಿಂದ 35 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ 20 ಜನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನು 15 ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ 15 ಜನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್?
ಅವರು ನಮ್ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರೋರು, ಇದು ಜೀನ್ಸಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸರ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಕೇಸಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು 20% ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 or 2 ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ನ ಬಹುತೇಕರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸರಿ. Anyway, there is a saying, right? You can only take horse to the water and you cannot make it drink water. So being a teacher, our job is to take them to the water.
ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆಗಿರ ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋರಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸಿಗೆ. ನಾವೊಂದು 45 to 1 hour ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ 5 minutes ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಹುಡುಗರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿ.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's ideal if everybody comes to this class and you see them in person. Okay, whether you like it or not, this will continue. This will not end next month or in next 6 months or 1 year. Okay, it will continue. What will you do if next 5 years it continues like this? What will happen to the entire civilization?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
That means this is the new normal. That Ramaraja will not come back again. Okay, so correct. Now for example, now let's assume we are taking session to only those 15 kids who are not answering. Let's assume that is given. Now how will you transform them? Assume you don't have any bright students at all in your class. Hypothetical. If 15 kids are there, now I see on my screen I'm seeing 8 round circle with some alphabets. I don't even know what they are doing now. I am sure it will be the same case when you are taking the session. You are seeing some 15 circles with some alphabets written on them. You have no idea what they are doing. But even then, I was able to pick up some names and I was able to basically announce, and fortunately all of you responded.
Kiran?
Heli sir.
Okay, so I just want to ask Sripada one small ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಗಮನಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ 1 hour ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10-15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಾವಭಾವಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವನು ಗಮನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಹುಶಃ ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವಾಗ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು 40 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಕರವಾದ ಕತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ತಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಬಹುಶಃ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನನ್ನ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಈ ಥರ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓವರ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಎವರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಎವರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ irrespective of private or government will have leading bright students, and there will be some students who are lagging, some students who are not interested. So we will get that example in any class.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣಂತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇನ್ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
GB ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? GB.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಸರ್? ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಂ, ಗಣಪತಿ ಭಟ್. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸರ್?
ನಾನು ವಿಜಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್.
ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 100 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಹಾಂ.
ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಿರೋರನ್ನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಅದ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ನಮಗೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ 60-70 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೂ ದ್ವಂದ್ವ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಸರು ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಸಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ 1,000 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅರವಿಂದ ಜೋಯ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಅವನು ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ನಮ್ದಿದೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಸಂಘ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರಂ ಗಿರಿನಗರ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಂ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರೋದು, ಅವನು ಅಕ್ಷರಂ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್. ಜರ್ಮನಿಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಲಂಡನ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಕ್ಷರಂ ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ವಿಷಯ.
ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್. ಸೊ you have got excellent resources and volunteers working in this space. So yeah, we are already at 8:45. If anybody has any question, we can discuss. Otherwise, we can close the session here. Yeah, tomorrow 11 o'clock we are having session for the students. All of you are most welcome. I will also share the links with all of you. Those who have given me your email ID. Otherwise, please take my WhatsApp number and ping me your. Just ping me. That I will share the link. Okay, thanks a lot, and we are closing the session here. Thanks a lot, and good night. See you all tomorrow, those who are joining.
Thank you, sir. Same to you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Jyoti.